Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on electric vehicle features in Waze. This is a really useful feature if you drive an EV, as it helps you locate charging stations and plan your routes more efficiently. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Waze app and direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal all the available options within Waze. This menu is your gateway to customizing various settings and features in the app. Once the menu opens, you'll see a list of different options displayed on your screen. Look for the one labeled Settings and tap on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can adjust everything from navigation preferences to display options and more. It's where all the important customization happens. Now that you're in the settings menu, scroll through the available options until you find vehicle details. This section is specifically designed to help Waze understand what type of vehicle you're driving so it can provide you with relevant information and routing options. Tap on Vehicle Details to continue. Inside the Vehicle Details section, you'll notice an option called Electric Vehicles. This is exactly what we need to access the EV-specific features. Go ahead and tap on Electric Vehicles to open up the specialized settings for electric vehicle drivers. Once you're in the electric vehicle settings, you'll see a toggle button labeled Turn On EV Features. This is the main switch that activates all the electric vehicle functionality within Waze. Tap on this toggle to turn it on. By enabling this feature, Waze will now start showing you nearby charging stations, compatible plugs, and other EV-related information during your navigation. Next, you'll want to specify what type of charging plug your vehicle uses. Tap on the plugs option to see a list of available charging connector types. This step is important because different electric vehicles use different plug standards, and selecting yours ensures that Waze only shows you compatible charging stations. Browse through the list and select the plug type that matches your electric vehicle's charging port. And that's it. You've successfully enabled electric vehicle features in Waze and configured your plug type. Now the app will help you find charging stations that work with your vehicle and provide better route planning based on your EV's needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.